Cella Ford, creating customers for life.
Stop by and take a look at the 2010 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, stability control, power steering, cruise control, power brakes, power windows, fog lights, child safety locks, compass. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Cella Ford, creating customers for life.